Hello, lash artists. Today, we're diving into the world of anime and exploring how to create expressive, captivating lashes inspired by your favorite characters. This style is perfect for clients who want to look vibrant, cute, and a little bit magical. We'll also cover some technical aspects to help you achieve the perfect result. I've received a lot of feedback from my viewers, so I decided to gift you a free guide on lash glue, where I've compiled the most important tips for working with lash extension glue. To get the guide for free, simply subscribe to my Instagram page and comment on my latest post with the word guide, and I'll send it to you for free. Now, let's take a look at the eyes before lash extensions. The inner and outer corners of the eye are almost on the same axis, so I'll make the last two spikes slightly shorter to avoid weighing down the outer part of the eye. For the central part of the eye, I'll use the maximum length of 13 mm, and gradually reduce the length as I move towards the inner corner. This way, the lash extensions will be comfortable for the client. Look at how I've distributed the lash lengths from 10 mm to 13 mm. I'll fill the space between the spikes with shorter lengths from 7 mm to 10 mm. So, how will I create anime-style lashes? First, I'll extend the main spikes, which will consist of 3 to 4 synthetic lashes. Next, I'll add 2 more spikes on each side of the main ones, using a length that's 1 mm shorter. For example, if I create a 13 mm spike, I'll add 2 12 mm spikes on either side, then 2 11 mm spikes, and finally 2 10 mm spikes. Here, I've drawn a complete lash map for you. Pause the video and take a screenshot. For this look, I used a C+ curl because the client's natural lashes have a slight curl. If her lashes were straight, I would have used a D curl, and if they were very curled, I would have gone with a C curl. For the bottom lashes, I used 7 mm to 8 mm lashes with a B curl. I always use a B curl for the bottom lashes to ensure comfort for the client. After applying the long spikes, I start filling the space between them. This space is also filled with spikes, but they will consist of shorter lengths and only 2 synthetic lashes. This is done to make the longer lashes stand out more. I also don't recommend applying extensions to all natural lashes, because if you look at anime-style lashes, they're usually not too voluminous. I also want to warn all lash artists who are looking for anime lash maps on YouTube. There are often videos where girls lift the upper eyelid and then glue the lashes directly onto the skin, even sticking the synthetic lashes together at the tips. These lashes are unlikely to last long because the videos don't even show the glue. Perhaps they're using a very gentle glue that softens when it comes into contact with water. But if they're using regular lash glue, the client will likely develop an allergic reaction, and their eyelids will swell. Additionally, when extensions are applied without a gap, the lashes will poke the eyelid, causing significant discomfort. I'm showing you a safe and proper anime lash technique, and I encourage you to take care of your clients and their eye health. After I've finished the upper lashes, I move on to the bottom lashes, first making sure to degrease them. Then, I take a regular patch and isolate the upper lashes I've just applied, using my hand to hold the patch and slightly lift the upper eyelid to access the bottom lashes. Make sure the eye stays closed, as the fumes from the glue could enter the eye. When applying lashes to the bottom lash line, there's no need to place a patch under them, as it will likely get in the way. I usually apply no more than 20 fans to the entire bottom lash line. Since I'm doing an anime style look, I'll also use closed fans consisting of 2 synthetic lashes for the bottom lashes. The bottom lash line has a lot of fine, baby lashes, which I recommend skipping, and only applying extensions to the thicker, longer lashes. The bottom lash extension procedure usually takes no more than 30 minutes, and it's a great way to earn extra income. Anime lashes are a bold and unique trend that will help your client stand out and feel like true anime heroines. Experiment with shapes, volumes, and colors to create a one-of-a-kind look for each client. The key is to choose the right materials and techniques that suit the individual features of the face. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Share your work and ask questions in the comments. See you in the next video.